Show me what you got, hey, show me what you got, hey.
What's up, everybody? Calico the True Reviews back again with another video, and I got the PlayStation disk drive as well as the PlayStation vertical stand. Now, this is pretty dope, y'all. Thumbs up the video, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get into this unboxing, all right? We got the disk drive and the vertical stand and the PS5 Pro, not to mention that. So, as we unbox the PS5 disk drive, of course, it proved a little bit difficult, but nevertheless, we unboxed it. We pulled out the disk tray cover that actually goes to the disk drive, and the disk drive itself. The original price for this was $79.99. I actually paid for it through the Sony website. And here we are with the PS5 Pro. Only thing you do is lay it down flat on this side, and you actually pop off the corners gently. I don't think you can actually hurt it, but it seems like a pretty easy process. And then all you do is take the disk drive itself, you actually lay it flat in there, and then you pop it in on each corner to make sure it's securely in place. All right. And then you put on the new cover, of course, and you make sure you snap it back in all corners. Make sure it's securely fastened, because of course sometimes those things aren't securely fastened. Then you stand it up, and now we got the PlayStation vertical stand. And also you just take out the little pin at the top and you align them up on the corners. Make sure it is right in place of the hole where you actually have to stick the pin in. And then you actually just screw it in. It's as simple as that. Did prove a little bit difficult, but I eventually got it on, and I'll give you guys a closer look of it. That looks pretty dope. And also, I appreciate you guys for watching the video. This has been your man Calico the True Reviews. And I guess I'm going to catch y'all on the next video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'm going to check y'all on the next video.